Hello guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. So this video is going to be my drugstore makeup routine because the girl is cheap and broke at the same time. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will link all my products in the description below. Okay, let's get into it. First, I am taking my Neutrogena sunscreen with an SPF of 30. Next, I am taking my MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray in the scent of Rose, and after that I'm putting on some Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. Now I'm putting on foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and then I use the L'Oreal Infallible concealer as well. Then I like to put some pressed powder, mine is from Maybelline, on my face just to kind of like set it. Now I am taking my L'Oreal brow gel in the color blonde. Now I am taking my L'Oreal eyeliner. Now I am putting some dark brown eyeshadow on my waterline. Next I am taking a blue eyeshadow from MAC and just spreading it all over my eyelid. I then follow up with a nude color to help blend out the blue. Then I like to do another round of pressed powder. Then I take my Maybelline Full and Soft mascara and apply it. Finally, I'm taking my Revlon lipstick in the shade 622, which is Daring Pink. And that's it. That's my whole makeup look.